Need to access a saved password from your Google account but not sure where to look? Whether you're on iPhone, Android, or a computer, I'll walk you through the exact steps to view all your saved passwords. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important detail. Let's get into it. First, open up a web browser like Google Chrome. This works on any device, your phone, tablet, or computer. Now, in the address bar, head over to google.com. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to check passwords for. You'll see your profile icon at the top right. Tap on that. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. This will take you to myaccount.google.com, your central dashboard for everything Google. At the top, you'll see some tabs like Home, Personal Info, and so on. Swipe across and tap on Security. Now scroll down. Keep going until you find the Password Manager section. Here, tap on Manage Passwords. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Once inside the Password Manager, you'll see a full list of websites where your login info is saved. Tap on any of them to view the details. You'll be asked to verify your identity, either through Face ID, fingerprint, or your device passcode. After that, you'll see your username or email and your saved password. Tap the little eye icon to reveal it or the copy button to use it instantly. And that's it. You now have access to all your saved passwords in one place. You can search, copy, or delete any entry right from your browser. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.